The Constitutional Court has issued a subpoena summons in the ongoing case involving the sale of shares in Mopani copper mines following an application by Matero Member of Parliament Sampa. On February 25, 2025, Mr. Sampa, the petitioner, filed a request for the court to summon key government officials to produce documents and give evidence in relation to the controversial transaction between ZCCM Investment Holdings and Delta Mining Limited, a subsidiary of International Resources Holdings IRH. The subpoena addressed to Mines Minister Paul Kabuswe, Permanent Secretary Dr. Hapenga Kabeta, and ZCCM's Chief Executive Officer Dr. Ndoba Vubeti requires them to appear at the hearing and present a complete record of the transaction. The requested documents include agreements, memoranda, correspondence, international government reports, and feasibility studies related to the transaction, as well as minutes of meetings and communications between the Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Finance, and ZCCM. Additionally, the subpoena seeks documentation concerning the share sale agreement, subscription agreement, board resolutions, and financial records related to the deal, including regulatory approvals from the Securities and Exchange Commission and the Bank of Zambia. In his application, Mr. Sampa argues that the transaction between ZCCM and Delta Mining was a sale of shares which should have required parliamentary approval. The Attorney General's office, however, has filed an opposition affidavit contending that the deal was a mere subscription of shares and did not require parliamentary approval. Mr. Sampa's legal representation stresses the importance of the requested documents to ensure a fair and just determination of the case. The application seeks the court's permission to summon the aforementioned officials and secure the necessary records. When the matter came before court, Judge Mwandenga granted the state's request for more time to respond to the subpoena application. The Attorney General, cited as the respondent in this matter, has been ordered to file their response by March 6th, while Mr. Sampa must file a reply by March 10th, 2025. The application is scheduled to be heard on March 11th, 2025. Additionally, the court has granted an extension for the filing of the record of proceedings, which must be submitted by March 4th. Best Jere, Diamond News.